What's up, fam? It's your boy DC2 Vic Vic. I know it's been a minute. I've been super busy. I just came back from Mexico, that was extremely awesome. And shoot, I got a lot of news for you guys. You know, different updates on my ride. So I'm gonna go over here and check it out. Show you guys what I got going on. Let me see. Let's see, open this bad boy up. Good old interior, boy. Type R seats. That's not new, but you know, just had to let that out. So, well, my bad, getting ahead of myself. But I got a black hood now, black fender. Trying to get it ready, hopefully soon to be painted. But let's check this out. Let's see. So, as you all knew, I had the Type R in this car, but I no longer have it. So I got the GSR, Jdm Gsr B18C. I don't know if you can guys see that. It's kind of warm right now. Just turned it off. But got a skunk tube manifold with a 70mm throttle body, and it's kind of running lean. I need to tune it, but it's running pretty good as is. And what is it? It's got it was internally built from the head up. It's got Super Tech valves and springs. It's got APR heads and APR bolts and studs and stuff like that. So a little bit stronger, holding a little bit better. So I got that into it. And shoot, what else do I have going on? Oh yeah, and it's not good, but I got a pretty much exhaust leak. It's pretty much right, literally, I mean, you can't even see it, but right in the middle of where the headers and the exhaust meet. That is, it's not attached well, but hopefully I'll be able to fix it. The weld pretty much broke all the way around, so that'll be fixed soon. Trying to think what else I got in this bad boy. Pretty much about it. And shout out to the boy Taylor Heath for swapping out my motor while I was in Mexico. And shoot, that's pretty much about it. I mean, there's hopefully the Type R will be rebuilt. I got that hopefully going sometime soon, and we see how that goes. And shoot, a lot of new things that I want to do for the page, for the YouTube videos and such like that. I'm trying to get it to the point where it's a little more better quality, so you guys can, you know, I appreciate you guys holding on and still watching my videos as is. And I hope to get them a whole lot better sound, stuff like that. If you guys have any suggestions on what to use and stuff like that, and I would appreciate it. You know, editing, stuff like that. I need to get a little bit better at it, I know. All right, let's go over here real quick. We're gonna turn it on for you guys and get you guys the sound so you guys can hear it. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much. We'll catch you on the flip.
I'm a busy person, got no time for lies. One of a kind.